Kids Hub, if you come across this video, do not sue me, please. I love your idea. Was it your idea? I don't know. But it's so good that I want to do it on my channel. So yeah. And definitely, if you haven't seen Art for Kids Hub, definitely check that out because it's really good. So yeah, we're going to do a folding surprise. So what we need to do is before we, for this art lesson you'll need a piece of paper, a marker or something to draw with, and actually, you know what? I haven't told you what we're drawing today. So we're drawing a stack of blobs. So little like things, little like slime things, and we're going to draw a stack of them. Also, you will also need a light green, and you will also need, that's actually all you need. If I think of anything else that you need later on, then I'll just tell you. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to leave these off, even the marker, and we're going to fold. So what we do is we get this corner, and we need to fold it down to here. So it should be halfway. And then we're going to fold it like this, so back up to here. So just like that, and then we're going to flip it over, and then bring this side over to there. And now we're just going to fold that back and flip it over again. Okay, so I've got a yellow piece of paper today, so you can see what I'm drawing, because the white would just be easy. Okay, so we're going to draw our first blob. So what we want to do is we're going to start here and draw bumpy lines all the way to there and continue on. And then when we're done that, we're going to do a line down on each side, and then little lines across. And now we're going to do some arms. So we're going to do a line from up here, and make sure the other one is at the top as well. And now we're just going to do a little line through. Now this art lesson is better for young artists because it's a bit simpler. Okay, now we're going to do antennae. So we're going to do two little lines coming up from the forehead, and then we're going to do little circles at the end. Okay, and now when we're done that, we're going to do two eyes. Make sure they're both at the top. And a little circle on each one. Now, I'm going to colour this bit in, but you can leave that white if you want, but I'm going to colour it in, and I'm going to fast forward this bit, but at the end you can pause it to catch up on that step. Okay, and now we're just going to do the last thing, which is the mouth. Now, in this case, this would be the bottom one. So I'm going to do a frown because he's not enjoying being at the bottom. He says it's not fair. And now again, we're just going to colour this bit in. Okay, so now we're done the first picture. So now we're going to open it up. Okay? So we're going to start with the top one. We want to do more bumpy lines around to connect back in. Okay, and when we're done that, we're going to do a mouth, or some legs and a mouth. So we're going to do 2 lines down, and then across. And then we're going to do this, the mouth. So I'm just going to do a little thing with the tongue sticking out. Okay, now we're going to do another one. So we're going to do a bumpy line to make a circle all around, like that. And then on this one, I'm going to do the arms. So we're going to go up and do a little line, and up and do a little line. Okay, and now I'm going to do the eyes. So 2 big eyes, little circle. I'm just going to colour this bit in. Okay, so as I said already, you can pause the video to catch up on that step. Okay, now for the mouth, I'm going to do an open one with a little baby tooth. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do a row of baby teeth. And then I'm going to do a big tongue. Like that. Okay, and now we're on to our final one. So again, we're going to do bumpy lines and connect back in. And then we're going to do his arms, so out, oops, and out. And then finally, we're going to do the little line across. And now we just need to do his eyes. So we're going to do the 2 big ones. Actually, I'm going to do one of them winking. So one of them going like that. And then he's going to be really annoyed. So I'm going to give him eyebrows. Okay, so now we're done our squelchy thing. And I'm going to colour it in now. But in the end, you can pause the video and copy my colouring. Also, you will need, I forgot to say, a red for the top. And also, I'm just going to colour the inside of his mouth in really quickly. Okay, so now I'm going to colour them in now. I'm going to fast forward this bit, but in the end, you can pause the video and copy my colouring. Also, just before I fast forward, I forgot to do the antennae and this. So you can add them if you want. I might just add them on this guy. Okay, so yeah, let's fast forward. Fast forwarding in 3, 2, 1, let's fast forward! And now I'm going to show you what's inside my little slime thing. Woo! 2 others. And yeah, I love doing this sort of thing. And it's so much fun. And now you can colour your blobs in any way you want. But I'm just going to colour them in that way because I think that's the best way. So yeah, that's it from me. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.